The magic recipe that changed her life. Watch the until last. Thank you. Meera loved cooking. Ever since she was a child, she had watched her grandmother prepare delicious meals, filling their home with warmth and love. Now, as an adult, she ran a small food stall in her village, selling crispy samosas and spicy pakoras. Though her food was tasty, she barely earned enough to survive. One evening, an old man with twinkling eyes visited her stall. He took a bite of her samosa and nodded thoughtfully. "You cook well," he said, "but something is missing." Meera frowned. "What's missing?" she asked. The old man smiled. "Come to the big banyan tree at midnight, and I will show you." Curious but cautious, Meera decided to go. The village was quiet as she tiptoed to the tree. The old man was waiting. He handed her an ancient, worn-out book. "This is a secret recipe book," he said. "Follow the first recipe exactly, and your life will change." Meera rushed home and eagerly flipped through the pages. The first recipe was called the golden snack. But the ingredients were strange: a pinch of happiness, a spoonful of kindness, a cup of patience, a handful of love. Meera laughed. Was this a joke? But something inside her told her to trust the process. She decided to follow the instructions. The next morning, Meera prepared the snack just as the book described. Instead of rushing, she cooked with patience, focusing on each step. She served the food with a genuine smile and spoke kindly to every customer. To her surprise, people noticed the change. "Meera, your food tastes even better today," a woman said. Another customer brought his friends, and soon, a crowd gathered. Day after day, her stall became more popular. The news spread beyond the village. A famous food blogger visited and shared a video about her stall. Orders flooded in, and Meera expanded her business. A year later, she owned a beautiful restaurant in the city. She was no longer just a street vendor, she was a successful entrepreneur. But she never forgot the old man. One day, she returned to the village and found him sitting under the banyan tree. She knelt before him, her eyes filled with gratitude. "Thank you," she said. "Your book changed my life." The old man chuckled. "Did it?" He held her hands and looked into her eyes. "The book was just a reminder, Meera. The magic was always in you." Meera gasped. She flipped through the book again and realized something shocking. The pages were blank. She smiled. The secret wasn't in the recipe, it was in the love, kindness, and patience she had learned to pour into her work. From that day on, Meera shared her story with every young dreamer she met. Because success wasn't about magic, it was about the heart you put into what you do. Subscribe my channel.